Previously on Finndawg Customs.
Everything all bolts up, so I'm going ahead. Alrighty, so time to put the injectors in. Oops. So it turns out this head is from the 140-ish kilowatt 2010 onwards. So my old injectors don't fit. So see the old head, they just slope all the way in, no worries. So yeah, I have to pull this head off. So I got this far and then yeah, not gonna happen. So got pull this back on, kind of, you know, I was getting ready to get it ready. But yeah, time to pull off this head again. Alrighty, there it is. Took me about 2 hours, maybe even less than that. Ooh. Yeah, she's back out. Just down here in the shed, so I'm a bit puffed. Fucking this fucker weighs a lot, especially when you got the whole air intake side still on. But yeah, these are my problem. These are a problem too, so I assume these are where like the injectors would have come into the common rail on the later models. I assume this is all different. So I had to tap these holes for this common rail to sit on. High injector rail, sorry, so I don't know what's going on, but got this back out, all the cams out, everything's ready to go. I'll get this nice and neat on the table and get ready to do it all again. So yeah, turns out there's different heads for the YD25. Probably should have done a bit more research first. It looks like that's still good to use. But yeah, what's in your face I put in there. So yeah, not a complete loss. Alrighty, so we're gonna pull off these aftermarket camshafts. They're fucking garbage. We're gonna put on. Oh, they're over there. The camshafts from this cylinder head that was wrong. You know, the first thing we're going to do we're gonna, so just showing you what I'm looking at. My pile of parts. There's looking for the injector for cylinder 1, which is not that. Nope. They're the camshafts. So these are going to go in. Sorry, these are going to go in over here. But it's all good. I'll just use this injector. So this is the head that isn't compatible. So no chance of that fitting. This is the new head. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. So, fucked up big time, this one. But that's all good. Let's get ripping into it. So first things first, I'm going to take off all these. Don't have to worry about doing them at different rates. Different rates right now, because we've got no tension on the valves. So just undo them at your own leisure. There we go. Just putting them next to the head for now. There we go. So get rid of these. They're trash. And then that's how I'm going to leave it for now, because I actually need them off. For what am I trying to say? I need those off so that I can fit the bolts. So I can tie the head down. Took this out, now there we go. Alright, so let's just check all the valves. Yep. They all look pretty sweet. It's a bit of grease. And nothing to report on the bottom of the head. All looks pretty good. Sweet. So now I'm going to put all the intake side from this head onto here. So I think I might just use some magic and go. Jesus. Alrighty, so I have fitted all of the intake side. Now when it goes in, I just need to kind of lock everything in place, but the coolant, I think that goes off to like the heater core in the back of the firewall. All that line is ran. All this vacuum stuff's on here, that little solenoid. I think it's called the shutter, idle shutter solenoid or something like that. It's got a brake here. I don't know if that's like, if I did that, but we'll find out. This one goes to a little pipe on the block. This goes to the fuel pump. This goes to the fuel pump. This feeds the common rail. Everything's locked in where it should be, the right spots. So yeah, even got a little I replaced all of the line. I know it might not look new, but of course I can't find it now. But yeah, I replaced all this old line with new stuff. So this was the one that went there. Goes down there somewhere, I assume. Yeah, looking pretty good. This is on. I should actually button that up now while I'm here. But yeah, everything has come together. So now I'll just finish putting little stuff like this and that on. I also need to pull this back plate off, clean it up, and then put that back plate in here. And then the cam position sensor as well. Then we're off to the races. So we're looking really good. smack all that in, then we'll go put the head back into the car. How about that? Alrighty, so all the studs are in. So at the moment, they're just a couple of ugger-duggers on the impact. Now, whoosh, I'm just climbing in here, sorry. Now I'm going to torque them properly. So 39 Newton meters, and I'm going to write the order on the side here. That's from what's it, Westshire Diesel or something? Westshire Navares, I think. I'll link his YouTube channel. He goes through the torque sequence. Basically 39 Newton meters in a certain order, and then you spin them 180 degrees from there, so that would come back to here. For example, I'm going to mark on here, and then you undo everything and do it all again. So let's just start with the 39 Newton meters and writing the order on the side. Alrighty, there it is, all numbered up. Crude handwriting. So basically you go 1 to 39, then you find 2, you find 3, wherever it is, 3, 4, 5. Looks like it all just comes out. But yeah, torque it all up. Alrighty, so all torqued down, ready to go. Cams in. Let's go. Oops. So I was following the torque specs, 13 Newton meters in here, and it snapped. So I'm going to try easy it out. Let's see if that works. Alrighty, so managed to get back where we were at the start of this episode. Sorry, I fucking started raining, so I'm cleaning up and I want water to get all in here. But yeah, we're back. Cams are in. Cam sprockets are on. Now we're just kind of knuckling everything up. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the stuff, remember to subscribe. Next time we'll hopefully get a running. Finndawg out.